Welcome to BMAK Auctions. Today we have a 1999 Chevrolet 3500 work truck. This vehicle drives rough. ABS light is on. Check engine light is on. There's some suspension noise. The vehicle is sluggish when it is cold. A rough upshift from the transmission. This rear gate does not latch and close. There's rust, scratches, dings, and dents on all exterior panels. We have some paint fade on the grille, paint chipping on the hood. Lower valance is hanging. Interior is dirty. It's going to need a detail. Heavy wear in all interior panels. They're up here in the driver leather seat. All the material on the steering wheel is gone. AC is not working. We have some dash lights out. Dash, let me rev it up for you. Be sure to read the full report. Thanks and good luck bidding.